first training run for the Grizzly Ultra marathon that's happening in autumn. Stopped to feed some birds because I was really tired. We found some mud because, trails, and almost tried a running vest. Well, I usually run with a backpack, but actually I've always run with a backpack. Just go here. I don't like it. I need my things. So the water's supposed to go smoothly into the pouch. Smoothly. Yeah. Why is this so hard? If you ask a paramedic how they're doing, they'll probably say, living the dream. On, off, on, off. Oh my God, I just can't. Where the hell am I supposed to put my bear spray? I can't do it. I can't. Nope. Ready. Just a backpack girl, living in a running vest world. If you know where this patch is from, we can be friends. Getting ready for trail running season early, I see. And I just had to stop and feed these tiny little nuthatches. Pretty cute. Well, it took me exactly 42 minutes and 25 seconds to kind of get in the zone and be okay with running and what I'm doing today. Yeah. That how it be sometimes. Tell me it's going to be a terrible wildfire season in Alberta. Without telling me it's going to be a terrible wildfire season in Alberta. There is very little snow on the ground, but we'll think about that tomorrow.